Are we in the thick of a blizzard here? This is getting intense, folks. It's getting intense here. We are right in the thick of it here. The wind is kicking up. It's 20, 25. I think it's even kicking to 35, 40 miles an hour. It is getting, I gotta hold on here. I can barely stand. Hold on for the dear life. I barely stand. It's getting really windy out here. So, all right, you don't have to travel. Don't travel. Don't get out there. Don't. Just stay home. Just stay home. Just stay home. This is live. We're coming down here live because I care about you. We care about you. And so we're here live in Superior. We're just getting windy. You can barely stand here. All right. God bless you guys. Stay safe. This is a live weather report here in Superior, Wisconsin, in the thick of it here in Belknap. It's getting so windy here. And so we gotta go. We gotta get inside here.